Hey guys. Okay, I'm still here, and there are a lot of units here that's vacant, to say the least. But it is a nice community. They are still developing, and they do have 24-hour security, which is amazing. But yeah, show you front of the building here. See other people. This is one of the security booths. Preview Hotel Coffee Market. Definitely can see the ocean from here. People actually in huts chilling over here. But I'll bring you guys back up in a few. So I'm here in the dental office about to get my teeth cleaned, and I will show you guys how this turns out and let you know what the price is. Okay, when they brought me back here, they were extremely professional and had on their gloves and everything and their mask. And they were asking me questions on how I feel, if everything's okay. And this is me explaining to them that I'm okay, getting ready. And you can see the difference well, you can see the color on my teeth, and this is them whitening my teeth. I did a whitening and a cleaning, and it took them about 40 minutes to complete everything. My experience here was extremely well. And it's been a while since I've had a deep, cleaning, a whitening, and my teeth were extremely sensitive. As you can see in this video here. Here we are today at Grand World. I want you guys to see around here, so we're gonna have us something to eat. Say hello, Jacqueline. Say hello, Miss Star. All right, so we're gonna see what's here good, and then go from there. All right.
Oh my God, I might need one.
All right, guys, I am out here in, I think it's called Grand something, but I wanted you guys to see the area. These poor fishes. I feel so bad for them. Look at that. That's like that's like abuse, fish abuse. Yeah. And then look at the clams. I meant not clams. What do you call? Well, there's a snail trying to escape. He's had enough. But this place is just gorgeous. It's like a big resort town. And you can see a bunch of people just around on the carts and everything, or motorcycles. But yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to capture a little bit before I grub. And they have hotels above there. Look at the lanterns here, guys. They were so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I see my daughter's name in the background. Taja, they have your name on the building. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. This area was really, really nice and really vibrant. The seafood one. Oh, you ordered the same? You ordered the same thing? Seafood, that's the clams I ordered. It's
Maybe you just have to.
Taj Mahal.
I thought she was rolling out.
They have areas over here where they could do like bumper cars and everything. You could see them driving, riding the cars, which is really cool. Yeah, this is definitely a vibe. Everything is dying down now. And then people are on bikes here. Then there's condos across the way here. All right, but yeah, this is the area, guys. Definitely a spot to come check out the Grand. Telephone booths. And yeah, this place was really good. The food was really good. All right, now we're gonna be heading out of here.
I appreciate you, stepping in. This is what I.
A few moments later.
This is how the other side of the bridge is looking. Look how gorgeous it is over here, guys. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way and for continuing to watch each week as I put out new and interesting adventures of what I have going on. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.
Tại đây quý khách sẽ được hòa mình vào không khí nhộn nhịp, thưởng thức ẩm thực đa dạng với hải sản tươi ngon, bát thái hấp